Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this remarkable LED sign is exactly what I was hoping for. This is from RAYHOME. It's a full color programmable LED sign. You can use it both vertically and horizontally. All you have to do is download the app, connect it to the device, and then the possibilities are virtually endless. Now, I used it at a recent trade show and it really drew attention to our display. It was simple to use and eye-catching. And since I could program it to say anything I wanted to, it's very versatile. The cord is remarkably long. I measured it at over 16 feet, and it does come with an adapter so you can plug it into a cigarette lighter in your car if you want to. And it includes an on and off switch. Now, in order to change it from vertical to horizontal, you have to do that inside the app by tapping on the icon in the upper right corner of the main page. That's going to bring you to another menu where you have to choose hardware setup. And in the hardware setup, you'll be able to see different ways, whether it's vertical or horizontal or different scrolling options. So this sign is really adaptable to whatever you want it to say. I will tell you that once you learn how to use the app, it's pretty easy to navigate. There are so many options that you can use, or you can create your own message easily. And since it's vertical or horizontal, there's so many different applications that you could use this sign for. I'm so happy with it. I can tell I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. And that is my point of view.